Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to wirelessly use a mobile phone as a webcam for your PC. We are going to use a software called Irion. I will show you how to install Irion on the PC and then on the phone, and then we'll use the phone as a webcam. To install Irion on PC, just go to your browser and type Irion on the Google search bar. Click on the first link and then I'll download this for Windows. You can do it for Mac and Ubuntu also. So you download it for Windows. I'll store it in the desktop. Let's install this now. So we have installed Irion on the desktop. Now I'll show you how to do it on the phone. Now that we've installed Irion on both the PC and the phone, all we have to make sure is that both the PC and the phone are on the same Wi-Fi network. So start up Irion on the PC, then go to the Irion app on the phone and then click on continue. And the Irion webcam server on the PC will automatically detect the phone's camera. You can even change the video format here. I'll make it 1080p here, and we have a much clearer view. So now we will try this in Google. So as you can see, the phone camera is working as a PC webcam. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more such content.